Hello. So I have no idea if this is going to be interesting at all to watch, but I want to do it, so that's why I'm recording it. Um, I've had in mind for a while that I want to, because I made these because I like, yeah, I don't practice my scales and arpeggios and what have you and chords and stuff enough on any instrument really, but guitar especially. And yeah, I made these like little cue cards for myself, which just yeah, like the idea was that you could combine them in all different ways. Like this is like these ones have yeah, like the names of chords on them. I think these ones have just like all the numbers, like from yeah, that you would ever want to know the intervals of. And there should be one that has scales on it as well. Yeah, this one. So we have I made these little cute cards for myself with yeah, like suspended, pentatonic, whatever that is. So the idea is that you kind of deal them out, and yeah, it gives you a scale to practice, and it gives you a little hint as to what notes are in the scale. Yeah, so it's blue major pentatonic. The idea is if you do that enough, then you will learn all of them, I guess. So yeah, but I don't use these because I find it a bit fiddly, like dealing out the cards. I thought it would be more pleasing than it actually is. So I haven't really been using them, and yeah, I want to change that. So yeah, so what I want to do is try and write a program that just does it. You ask the program, generate two scales, and then it says, blues major pentatonic in E, and a suspended pentatonic in C sharp or something, and yeah, it will give you the same information the cue cards did, but you won't have to deal. You could just tell it what you want, and yeah, that's the idea. I am not particularly experienced at coding, so yeah, I'm kind of curious how this is going to go, but yeah, we will see. So where do I want to start? I think I don't think I'll get this whole thing done in half an hour. But I think what I would like is proof of concept. So I think the thing that I want to start with is, yeah, I want to make it work for let's say that there's three of a few different elements. Okay, so so I guess the best place to start would be to make an I'm immediately I want to start writing in JavaScript, because I don't know why. But I just, yeah, I've been writing in JavaScript a little bit lately, and a website which is essentially just in JavaScript. So yeah, that's kind of where my head is. So I guess this will be good. So let's think. So yeah, I'm gonna make an array. So it's gonna be I'm gonna call it notes array. Okay, and it's gonna. So the notes array actually doesn't need to be terribly complicated. It just needs to have all the different notes in it. So we're gonna go a. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bit of a question about how to yeah, I guess for this I'm gonna call it A sharp / B flat. I think that's how I'm gonna spell this out. B C sharp. Oh, I'm back to A already. Okay. Did I get everything? Is that 12? Did I write 12 things? One. Oh, and I didn't do this properly. really what I should do is yeah, have these as like distinct entries into the array, or like it should like force a choice between the two of them, because I think in my mind there's like a distinction between A sharp and B flat, and like if you tell me to play a scale in C sharp, I will understand much better what that means than D flat. So it would be good to like learn them both, which I guess kind of means not quite doubling the amount of work required to learn this stuff, but yeah. Okay, so those are the notes. And yeah, I think I've got all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Wait, I have E flat there. Why did I do that? That should be G flat. Okay, head's not switched on just yet. Okay, good. And then we want like chords. I'm gonna call it the chords. No. We're gonna do scales first. Scales array. Okay. There's like dust flying everywhere because I haven't. It's been so long since I used these cue cards. They've all gathered dust. It's quite embarrassing. Okay. So let's start with just like free scales. And we're gonna make it generalizable, so you could like add in as many as you wanted. Okay, so there's gonna be one which is gonna say blues major pentatonic. One that's gonna be Phrygian, let's call it, and harmonic minor. Okay, so let's say that those are our free scales. Now what we want the program to do is to have, I want a function that just like picks a, let's say it picks a note, like so function random note pick. Okay, so yeah, how do you... So yeah, let me just quickly look up how to generate random stuff. Okay, great. Someone has written a nice, easy answer to this question. So let's have a look-see. So yeah, we're going to build in the min and max. Like this thing has like min max like written into it, but we're going to like build those into the function, I guess. So let's see. Okay. So their function is return math.floor and then math.random times max minus min plus 1. So it's going to be So the maximum is going to be now we don't actually want it to return that. We want to, so we're going to call this a variable. So this is going to be, we're going to call it note number, random note number, I guess. Is going to be that. And then what we want to return is notes array random note number, I think. Okay, okay, so the max is the length of notes array. So yeah, so it's going to be notes array dot length. That's going to be the maximum. And the minimum is going to be 0, I think. I think I don't quite understand what this thing is doing, to be honest. I feel like I should have an understanding of that. So see, it seems like that is the minimum, is 0. Like, so it can either be this, that's 0, and then this is note length plus 1, like note array length plus 1. Okay. I'm going to have to test at some point whether this actually works or not, but yeah. Okay. But I think that's the right idea. Okay, and then we're going to have another function, which is going to be random scale pick. And then that's going to be the same thing, assuming that this works. I really should like check this somehow. Yeah, I mean, actually, I can check this. So let's say is that gonna work? Again, I am like really bad at okay, that was not the answer I was expecting. Oh, I should put, oh, great. Okay, right. Okay, that was that. Now the question is it going to give me, oh, undefined? Okay. That's not good. Okay, well that one gives me A, so that's good. The question is going to be, does it give me, yeah, any more undefined? I have no idea about. I guess we could just get rid of that, plus 0. This may need fixing later. But I am aware that I am pressed for time. So maybe that's a bad way of looking at it. I don't know. But yeah, I want to get the basic idea down. Okay, so we got random scale pick. Okay, so which is going to be much the same thing, I think. Alright, well I guess we can get rid of that -0. I guess that's not really doing anything. Okay. I think. Okay, good. Good. Wait, that's okay, good. It is giving me different answers. Okay, this is good. Okay, so then okay, so now we want to make a function that's gonna so it's gonna be name random scale, because we've got all the elements we need now. Okay, so so what this is going to do is it's going to say so scale note. So we're going to call it new scale note, or generated scale note. Generated scale note. And then we're just going to call that is random note pick. Okay, and then we're going to have a new variable, which is going to be called generated scale name, which is going to be random scale pick. Okay, all right. So then let's try this now. So we're going to go alert. I know there's like a better way of doing this, like console.log or something, but like I don't know why I just I really hate using it. I like it when it just pops up. So so yeah, okay. And then we're going to go. We want name random scale. Oh yeah, let's do more than that. That's okay. So we're going to say return random. Oh wait, no, what was it? It was generated scale name. Oops. Wrong. Okay, and we're going to go plus class generated scale name. Okay, let's see what this does. Right. Okay, there we go. I don't know if you can wait. Yeah. This is coming up. Okay, the pop-up is coming up. Okay, that's good. Otherwise, this would make absolutely zero sense. Great. So that's like a scale, right? Okay, that's this is further than I thought I was gonna get today. Okay, that's good. Okay, now what we need is I want a kind of lookup table, which is gonna yeah, what exactly is it gonna do? It's gonna be like a kind of key, so like it's gonna like tell you the scale degrees if you feed in one of these names, basically. So let me just think about how to do this. So yeah, it's just a variable that I use. Okay, so let's see. So it's going to be okay. Let's call it scale key, and yeah, it's going to be one of these kind of objects, which I don't know what you actually call them. But yeah, so okay, so we've got this one. So we've got blues, major, pentatonic, and then that's gonna, I think that's how we do it. And we want Phrygian, and then something. So like, yeah, maybe I just do this actually, just while I'm thinking about that. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Got 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7. Okay, and then we've got, oh my god, okay, good. I'm really glad that I only started for free. This is going to take forever to do. 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, 7. Okay, good. And then I'm going to close that off. Okay, and then okay, so then we're going to go function add intervals to scale. Okay, this is going to be a little bit messy, but I'll fix it later. Which is going to be yes, it's going to take a scale name as input. Okay, so how do we do it? I've got the scale name. We have this thing, so we're going to just, I think we just return this is how we do it. So we say return scale key scale name, I think. Okay, I'm going to move this function up here and plus colon and then we're going to have plus add intervals to scale generated scale name. Yeah. Okay, I'm really curious if this is going to work. I have a feeling that it won't. Yep, sure enough, that doesn't actually do anything. Oh, wait, that's not working either. Oh, okay, that might be the problem. No. Okay, what is the problem exactly? Missing something after property. At line 14. I think I must have formatted this wrong. Okay, look at that. Oh, okay, you put commas, not semicolons. Will that fix it? Who knows? Yeah, that's it. Okay, like, that's that's a start, right? This thing generates a thing for you. I mean, yeah, I guess. So, okay, what is there left to do on this? So, I guess I wanted to put in, like, I have to fill in all of the info as well, because this is only like 3 things, assuming that this like random generator is actually doing what I think it's doing. I have to fill in the rest of the scales. I have to put in the chords, but like it should be, yeah, like the idea should be the same for the chords as well. And yeah, and like the actual like the display is like going to be the next challenge to this as well, I think. Yeah, like actually displaying the information. But I don't know. I think, wait, Vice is giving me only blues major pentatonic. I have a feeling that I've like, I know, but all 3 of them came up, so I think that the random generation must be working. But yeah, anyway, I think that's as good a point to leave it as anywhere. So yeah, there it is.